Today I'm reviewing the Neutrogena Daily Facial Moisturizer, fragrance-free. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if that's something you're into, like, subscribe, share the video, click on the links below, or check out my Patreon community. Okay, so Neutrogena recently, they did away with their previous moisturizer, which is the Gentle Moisturizer. I think it's in the white bottle with the purple square on it. I think they discontinued that, and then in its place, they're kind of bringing this one out. So, anyway, thought I would do my review of it because it's new and it's fragrance-free, so I love it. Okay, so they say, help support the skin's dynamic barrier without clogging pores, suitable for sensitive skin. Neutrogena Daily Facial Moisturizer formulated with a multivitamin complex to help fight daily environmental aggressors. So I've got some thoughts on that. And anyway, there we go. I've got a lot of thoughts on it, actually. So, okay, first criteria is packaging. It comes in a squeeze bottle. It has a lot number, but no expiration date. Rather, they just put the expiration date on them, but whatever. So it's a squeeze tube. It's got a, what I love is this lid. If every brand did this, especially for like shampoos and stuff, there's nothing more annoying than having to unscrew the whole thing off every time. Is that just your laziness? Probably, but anyway, I really prefer the flip cap. So much easier, especially for like hair products, but anyway. Okay, in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those, and it says it's fragrance-free, and it is fragrance-free. There's really no noticeable scent to this one, so no issues at all with that. Great. I'm glad they did that, because some of Neutrogena's products can be pretty scented. In terms of the manufacturing location, this one is made in Canada, so no issues with that. In terms of the ease of use, so they recommend applying it daily to face and neck after cleansing, toning, and serums. There we go. It's got a nice light texture. It's got kind of a gel lotion texture. A little bit of this one goes a super long way. So as you can see, just not even probably a dime size amount. Covered everywhere, so very nice, super easy to smooth over skin, absorbs pretty nicely and pretty quickly. It sets to a natural finish. It's not shiny, but it's not matte either, kind of somewhere in between there. And it feels super nice and comfortable on skin without feeling greasy, which is nice, and it works nicely over other serums, and it works pretty nicely under sunscreens as well. No issues with like pilling or anything like that at all, which is nice because I've had some issues with pilling with some Neutrogena products. But this one, I didn't have any issues, and I just love how it feels on skin. It just feels really nice without feeling greasy or heavy. Yeah, really nice feeling. And I don't have that with a lot of Neutrogena. A lot of Neutrogena products either feel heavy or greasy, or they end up pilling a lot, and I like this. It's very easy to use. No issues at all with that. It's very, very enjoyable to use. Okay, in terms of antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. So I guess this is kind of the main issue I have with it. It's not a super exciting ingredient list of beneficial ingredients. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's kind of lackluster. So we've got niacinamide, which is skin brightening, anti-acne ingredient. We've got palmitic acid, fatty acid, skin identical ingredient. We've got stearic acid, fatty acid, and emollient. We've got panthenol, skin soothing, wound healing, calming ingredient. And then we've got vitamin E, antioxidant, emollient. So, I mean, not a super long ingredient list of beneficial ingredients. The ingredient list is pretty short. So, I mean, I guess for some people that's nice because some people prefer a more minimalist ingredient, but very short. Very short ingredient list, which for some people is going to be a good thing. Okay, so the main disappointment for this in terms of animal testing, it's not cruelty-free, which is a major bummer. I wish brands like Neutrogena and CeraVe and some of these big ones were cruelty-free. There's really no reason for them not to be. So it's really disappointing to get to like something and then it's not cruelty-free. So anyway, when we get towards the end, I've got some other thoughts on it. But anyway, in terms of performance, so it's a very basic moisturizer. Very, very basic moisturizer that will work probably for sensitive skin. Offers basic hydration. That's about it. It's best probably for oilier skin types, but for my dry skin, it doesn't offer enough hydration without the additional layer of another serum or thicker cream. But Perhaps if this had come out in the summer, it would have been a better match for my skin when I don't need as much moisture as I do like in this time of year, fall and winter. I need more hydration than this offers, but I think for fall or spring or summer, this would have been enough, but not for right now. In terms of protection from environmental stressors like this claims, there really isn't any. There's really no antioxidants. I mean, I guess we have vitamin E and maybe a little bit of niacinamide, but for real antioxidant protection, this really doesn't deliver that. It offers moisture and it's suitable for sensitive skin, but it's not enough to fight environmental stressors. You want something better. You want ascorbic acid. You want antioxidants. There's certain fruits that are good at it. This just doesn't deliver in terms of that, but it does moisturize skin, and for skin that's super sensitive, that might be a good thing. I will say for acne-prone skin, beware, because it does contain several acnegenic ingredients, and I like how I say without clogging pores. Well, it doesn't matter because certain products will irritate some people's pores and clog them and won't clog other people's pores. But for ingredients to be aware of, we've got cetyl alcohol, we've got Cetearyl alcohol, we've got Palmitic acid, we've got Stearic acid, we've got Dimethicone, we've got Carbomer, and we've got Cetearyl 20. So out of a short ingredient list to have 7 potentially pore clogging ingredients is a lot. So for acne-prone skin, be aware. Just be aware. Okay, in terms of the price, it's a good deal. So this is the full size, 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters. It costs $15, so it's a pretty good deal overall. No issues at all with that. In terms of the it factor, it's not a must-have for me. It feels nice on my skin, but for for youthful skin, that might be on the oily side, but not acne-prone, and you're sensitive, and you don't have any anti-aging concerns, this is probably a great affordable product. If you have anti-aging concerns or you want something with antioxidant protection or something that won't clog pores or something very hydrating, this isn't going to do it. So not a must-have for me, but for some people this might be a good option. It's a pretty simple product overall. It lacks in the wow factor, but I can see this being a nice, simple product that a lot of people can use probably without being irritated unless you have very acne-prone skin. So overall, it's a short review because it's not a lot to talk about. It's a simple, average product, moisturizer that is nice. It's not greasy, but it's not a wow for me. So with a 10 being a perfect score, this one a 7. It's decent for certain people, and for others, it's just going to be lackluster. So anyway, I'm more interested in your thoughts on this, if you guys have tried this, or what your thoughts are compared this one to the previous version. Curious what your thoughts are, so leave a comment. I know there's a lot of Neutrogena fans out there, and nothing wrong with that. They have some great stuff, simple stuff, and that's probably what this one is. So anyway, love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.